Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update to this Google Sheet. So the data you have given me on this PSBO 14 sheet is this one. All of the data, this is your data and then running total. And let me have an empty input in here. So this is the data from A to H of from your side, and I have copied the data from the main COD file from where I'm copying all the PSBO 14 data. So these are all the data which are 11443 entries we have matching for PSBO 43, and the data is ranging from March 22nd to April 2nd. In your file, the data is ranging, the data you have provided is has 1392, which is almost 50 entries less, and the data is ranging from the same range 22nd March to 2nd April. So here is the data 22nd March to 2nd April and 1443. So it's almost 50 entries more. I have 50 entries more. And at a glance, if you will see the data, your data is starting from Ziabobao PSV 14, which has the first entry of in 2090 and out is nothing. Whereas my first entry is AL24, and my entry, the matching entry is starting almost from here. And this all of these above are coming in from the CODMAR. CODMAR is the tab name from where we pull the data, and this is what I'm referring to. So this is CODMAR. And if I filter all the CODMAR BS14, SB14, you will see the data in here. So that data has a valid range, sorry, a negative range of 20, minus 23, 22 to minus 2000 withdrawal, and all of these are coming in from the CODMAR. Um, all right. So we have more entries from CODMAR and few entries from, yeah, the data is starting from SB March. So SB March, and the your data is also starting from SB March. So you haven't included any data from COD tab, which is, let me show you again. So this is the tab. So this is the tab from the data I have, but you don't have. All right. And now I have made some combinations to find out if there are any matching values in here. So I can see that there are many entries. So if I'll check how many entries from my data is not matching in your data. So 560 entries are there, which are in my entry, which is the data I have pulled from all CODMAR, SBMAR, and um, so I have the data from CODMAR, COD COD April, and SCR Mar, SA April, SA March data, SB April data, SB March data. So I have the data from all of these tabs, which is matching the PSVO 14 and PSVO 14, right? And almost 560 entries are there which are not matching, and the matching entries are obviously the remaining from out of 1443. So the remaining entries are, let me have a count of it. 882 range are matching. And if we total the total of the matching entries, so these are the in, then these are the outs. So the total of matching entries is 99332. So clearly I have more data than you, and the values are also not 100% matching. All right. So let me have a quick addition. So this is taking the date, the username, the bank name, and uh the withdrawal and additional debt, both of these together. So if I'll search all of these, yeah, if I'll try match exactly the same, which is matching the date, the username, the bank name, the initial and withdrawal, both of the dates. If the matching dates are there, there are only 100 800 entries. The rest of those are not exactly matching. So clearly, I have some different data. So if we can sit on a call, and you can tell me from where you are getting this data from for the PSBO 14 and PCRD 18. If you can tell me from which tab this data is coming in, so that we can identify that accordingly. So I think I'm available. Please let me know as soon as you are available, and I am available to sit together and resolve this issue as soon as I can. Thank you.